There, a Robux. Let's give it to him. The name is Sean Jaden.
Dinamay pa sa kabubuhan ba?
Yeah, I will send him some Robux.
Dinamay sa kabubuhan. Oh yeah.
There, I will give him. Bro, what happened? There, I will send him 5 Robux.
5 lang, di naman totoo. 5 lang, di
Then,
totoo. Di naman totoo.
if you guys want some Robux, give me here and I send you some.
5 lang.